How to set age restrictions on YouTube videos. Let's get started. Launch your YouTube. Now you can head towards the YouTube studio. For that, click on the profile picture given at the top right corner. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of YouTube Studio. Once you're in the YouTube Studio, at the top you'll see the option of Create. Click on it. Click on the option of Upload Videos. Now select the video that you want to upload along with the age restriction. Once you have selected the video, you will land to this kind of page. Over here you'll find different options. Scroll down. You'll find the section of age restriction. From here you can easily set age restriction for this video. Set it to no it's not made for kids. Now the underage kids won't be able to see this video. By following the same step, you can easily set age restriction for other videos as well. So that's the wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.